guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Radiant Diva Skincare, and if today is your first time of tuning in, you're highly welcome. And to my old subscriber guys, thank you so much. I love you all. So guys, today I'm going to be doing a review of Peau the Lune lotion, how to use it for a sensitive skin, because the last video I did about the benefits of Peau the Lune lotion, so I got a lot of comments. People were saying that the lotion is peeling their skin. Yeah, it's a lotion, and it's a face cleanser. Just because it's a liquid, they call it a lotion, because anything that is runny, that is a liquid, is actually called a lotion. So guys, pardon me, I talk too fast. So I got a lot of comments. Someone was saying that the lotion is peeling too much. Someone was saying the lotion is drying his face. So, and I told the person to dilute it, and the person said that if he can add water to it. So, and I replied, no, you cannot add water to it. You cannot add pure water to it. You cannot add water to it, because adding water to it, yeah, is going to dilute the Peau the Lune lotion, but actually is going to break down the effectiveness of the Peau the Lune lotion. So if it's breaking down the effectiveness, you're not really going to get that skin benefit, that benefit you want from that Peau the Lune lotion. So I did a test about it. So I tried to dilute the Peau the Lune lotion for those that have sensitive skin, because actually the lotion is going to peel your skin. So when I said peeling your skin, is a mild peeling, okay, mild peeling, not that kind of roughness like those salicylic acid peel or glycolic acid peel or lactic acid peel. No, it's just a mild peeling. So I'm going to be answering a lot of questions concerning this peeling of a thing. So first of all, before we dive into the video and show you how you can actually dilute these products, so our online training class is going on. If you want to learn how to make effective handmade skincare products, so you can chat me up. My WhatsApp number is below the comment section. So we are going to start our online training class. You can come in and learn how to make multiple skincare products and be successful. That is all I can say. So guys, let's go into the video. So this is Peau the Lune lotion. So this is the brown one. The brown one is actually for a very tough skin. If you know your skin is tough, this one, you can use this brown one, because this one is actually strong, and this one is more effective. Okay, the other ones are also effective, but this one is very, very effective because it's for that it's for a tough skin. So this one is really going to give you that peeling, like really give you that peeling. So this one is the brown one. So if you want to use the brown one, because it is very good for a tough skin, what you do, you dilute it. Okay, you dilute it. Now this is what I used in diluting. This is a normal facial cleanser you can get in the supermarket. Okay, this is a normal facial cleanser. Okay, so you can use rose water, aloe vera extract. This is the one I used. I bought this one just €1 something in DM. Okay, so this one is made with the normal ingredient that is here is panthenol and aloe vera. So that is what they use in making this normal facial cleanser that you can use to wipe out your makeup. So you just dilute these two together. So, but I have not tried it. I have not diluted with this very one. This is what I diluted with. I used the pink one. So this is the pink one. This is actually the other. They have 3 types of Peau the Lune lotion. Okay, so they have the brown, they have the pink, and they also have the green color. Okay, so after the brown one, followed by this and the green. I think the green is the most gentle one. Okay, so and this one also is also gentle. This one is also gentle. So if you want to dilute, you dilute like this. This is how I normally dilute my cleanser. Okay, so you dilute like this. So what do you do if you want to make 100 ml of cleanser? If you want to make 100 ml of cleanser, you take, here you take 70 ml, and here you take 30 ml, and you dilute together. Then you have 100 ml of cleanser. So now you are still going to get the benefit of this facial cleanser. You are this Peau de Luna cleanser, because why? You are diluting with something that is actually active. When it comes to cleaning of the face, it is actually active. So now if you're diluting with just a normal water, then you have actually break down the effectiveness of this cleanser. Now I'm going to tell you what the ingredients they use in making this cleanser, so that you can actually know that it is still effective. Okay, so when it comes to cleaning of makeup, I actually use this one in my cleaning of makeup. Okay, when I do my makeup, I want to clean it, I actually use this. Is just a normal cleanser. So this one is made with this one is made in Germany, so you can actually get something like this in Nigeria, or just get a rose water. So guys, sorry, the sunlight, I'm using direct sunlight from outside, so the light is just going off and going on. So this one is actually made with agua, which is water. It's made with agua. It's made with glycerin. It's made with declin glucoside, which is a surfactant. So it is also made with aloe vera leaf juice. It is made with panthenol. Yeah, it is made with panthenol. It is made with disodium EDTA, and it's also made with citric acid. So these are really effective products when it comes to wiping out acne on the face, when it comes to removing blemishes on the face. Now you use to dilute this one, then you are good to go. For those people that also have a very tough skin, so if you're using this brown one for a very tough skin and you notice that it is too strong for you, then you can still actually dilute this brown one with your rose water or this very cleanser. So rose water is good, but for me, I don't like using rose water. I like using something like this because they also have ingredients on it. Like you see, the panthenol is inside there, a lot of stuff is inside here. The glycerin is there to help lock in moisture so that your face will not be feeling too stingy after using your facial cleanser. Because normally when you use Peau de Luna cleanser or some cleanser, your face is going to feel too stingy. So that is why this one is actually good, because there's glycerin and there's panthenol and there's aloe vera to help that stinginess when it comes to using your facial cleanser. So I hope you guys understand this better now, because the comments I got from my last video concerning Peau de Luna lotion, it's too much complaint. Some say it's good, some say the thing is peeling. Will I stop using it? No, allow it to peel. Just allow it to peel. It's gentle peelness, okay? Allow it to peel. By the time you notice that your face, like those stuff, those sunburn, those pimples, those dark spots, you're not seeing them again, then you can stop. This is not everyday thing, no. Please, Peau de Luna cleanser is not for everyday thing. You only use it when you notice that you have a rough skin, you have pimples, you're beginning to see some burns, you're beginning to see some spots. Okay, so that is how you use Peau de Luna cleanser. It's not your regular everyday cleanser. Please, not everyday cleanser. When you use it, then you just notice the changes, then you actually stop. So for me now, I have some spots on my face. Yes, I have some spots on my face, and I'm actually using it now. You can see the container I'm using to dilute this very one. I'm using to dilute this very one. Okay, I hope this video is helpful. Please leave your comment below this comment section. Go and try this. Okay, if you are using Peau de Luna lotion and you're complaining of the peeling or complaining of the whatsoever, go and dilute it, use it, and come back and come and drop your comment below the comment section. When it comes to reviews, I give you the way it is. I give you the way it is. I don't do a review of a product that I have not tried. That is why sometimes you see me, I'll make a video once in a month or once in 2 months, because I have to actually try products before I can actually come here and say, not just pick any random product and come and be doing review because I want views. No. So now guys, I hope we are clear. And what else? Follow me on my Instagram page, follow me on my TikTok page, follow me on my Facebook page, and come and learn how to make skincare products. So see you in my other next video. Love you guys. Bye.